Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Davide Pianegonda, an Italian professional trumpet player and trumpet teacher, and today in this video I'm gonna answer a very common question that many of my students have asked me at least once. Whether you are living in a shared apartment with other roommates, or maybe you are very busy during the day and the only time that you have that you can practice is in the late evening, so you are wondering, how can I do in order to practice without annoying the whole neighborhood? The problem with the silent mutes is that you are compromising on the sound quality and also on the intonation and on the pressure of the trumpet itself. So it's not a very clever idea to buy a silent mute in order to practice the trumpet. So in this tutorial I'll show you a very easy to follow do-yourself method in order to create a trumpet mute using everyday household items. You will spend not more than 5 euros, and by the end of the video you will have a homemade practice mute. So what do you need in order to start this tutorial? Well, first of all, a scissor, straw, as you see, a small straw, cotton, this is medical cotton, if you have it is better, or if you don't have it you can just use some tissue paper, for example. Of course you will need plastic bottle, and then if it's very nice if you have a hair tie, or otherwise it's completely fine to use this plastic one, it's the same. Then eventually, to join everything together, this adhesive tape. Isn't missing something? Yes, of course, it's missing the foam padding. This one is it's a big one, but if you don't have this, you can use, as I did for the last one that I did, you can use this one, that is the soundproof foam that you use for studios, like the one that I have here in my studio, and you can use this one. The final result will be something like this. This I've already did it, and now I'm gonna show you, starting again from the beginning, how to do the same from scratch, starting from scratch. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, let's remove the cap from the bottle. Now, let's be sure that we want to cut it in two same measures. So both the two sides has to be of the same length. Okay, so as you can see now it's possible to join them. Great, let's drill a small hole at the base, slightly smaller than the diameter of the straw. This will be where the straw is inserted. Trim the straw to the desired length for your mute. Let's insert the straw. Okay, great, like this. Okay, great, now let's add the cotton or the tissue paper. In my case I'm gonna add the cotton, as you can see. This will help dampen the sound produced by the trumpet. Now this is the time to add the padding around the cap of the bottle, and then to block it with a little hair tie or plastic one. Great, you're done! Okay, final test. Now the mute is done. It's the time to check if the final result is enough for what we want. I'm gonna play also some high notes so you can hear how is the response from the low register to the high register. And now with the mute, that is not yet joined with the adhesive tape. So let's first of all check if it's right as it is. Okay, it's slightly flat, so let's try to make it shorter. If you make it shorter, it will get probably right. Okay, it's already better, but it's not enough, so let's try to put it in all. Let's push it. Okay, it's not doing any more than this, so okay, this is why you have to join the mute, because this is too much, so I need to cut it. Now let's see, should be better now. Okay, so for me this length is fine, and I can finally close it. I'm gonna play this scale from the bottom to the top. This one is pretty fine. Thank you very much for being here watching this video together with me. If you want more videos like this, just comment below and tell me whatever you would like to know, whatever you would like to learn. And if you are interested in learning the trumpet, you should know that it's already available on my website, a basic video course for beginners, and it will be soon available also an intermediate level for more advanced trumpet players. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and like the videos, and if you want, share it with your friends. Bye!